looking for a concert that the artists are Cup of Joe, Johnny Tanyoso, and the Juans? If yes, this is the video for you.
Hey Rain, do you know the purpose of the concert on October 21, 2024?
Sorry, what? I'm listening to Dora the Explorer. The purpose of this concert is to showcase talents and provide exceptional music to help raise funds for the residents in Sitio Bebe, as they are currently experiencing respiratory issues due to the lack of medical equipment, clean water, and access to healthcare.
Ensure that the funds that we collect in the said event will be donated to the residents of Sitio Bebe. The funds from this event will be used to buy a grocery package, medical supplies, and a water filtration system.
Now that you know what the purpose of our concert is, we will now present to you where and when the concert will be held. It has a convenient location, easy access, and a well-equipped space when throwing your next event in order to make each one even more memorable. Our concert will be on October 21, 2024 at Events Hall, the 5th at Rockwell, R5 level, Power Plant Mall, Hidalgo Drive, Rockwell Center, Makati City.
What are you waiting for? Join us and let's create a memorable experience together. See you!